The UV printing process allows you to print on one item or a million items. If you're looking for that printing process that is durable, that is affordable, you can't go wrong with the UV printing process. Hi guys, it's Dr. Print here, and today I'll be sharing with you 5 facts about the UV printing process. I'll be right back. Welcome back guys, it's Dr. Femi from the Print Haven, and as I said earlier, I'll be sharing with you 5 facts about the UV printing process. Guys, remember to subscribe to our channel, please like our video, leave a comment down below, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified once we upload our videos. So let's get right to it. What is the UV printing process? It basically involves the use of ultraviolet light, which we call UV, to put ink on a particular product or material, and the light cures the ink, making the print process permanent. So, fact number 1, the UV printing process is very durable. The print is scratch proof, so whatever it is you're printing on, whether it is cardboard or metal, the ink does not come off, the print is permanent. Fact number 2, you can print on a wide variety of items: ceramic, glass, metal, plastic, wood. We're talking a wide variety. Basically, the only thing you can't UV print is materials like what I'm wearing now, cotton, polyester, and all of that. You won't be able to print with the UV printer. Fact number 3, the UV printing process uses eco-solvent inks, which are safe for the environment. It also encourages us to, use the printer indoors, and it's quite safe for your team members as well. Fact number 4, the UV printing process requires no setup, so you're saving time and you're also saving money. Remember I said earlier that you can print on either one item or you can print on a million items. You need 0 setup in comparison to the older printing process. Fact number 5, it's economical to use the UV printing process. The consumables are affordable, and in general, the print process is affordable. Hi guys, we're in the factory at the moment, and this is our UV printer. I'm just going to demonstrate to you how it prints on leather. As you can see, it took about 2 minutes for us to complete this print. Imagine if you needed to screen print, or if you needed to do another branding or printing process. You probably need at least an hour or 2 to set it up. But literally, you have your product, you have your printer, and you're good to go with your printing. Scratch proof. Like, the print is permanent. You have this journal for 5 years, your print stays the same for those 5 years. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on our UV printing process. We're bringing you more printing processes at the Print Haven. So, these are the 5 facts I shared with you about printing, the UV printing process. It's affordable, the print is durable, you're able to print on a wide variety of items, you don't need to set up, and it is safe for the environment. Guys, I hope you found this information valuable. If you have more questions, please leave a comment down below, and if you'd like to reach out to us for any of our products at the Print Haven, please click on the link in the description below. Bye guys.